Hi, I'm Jessica with We Go Places, and on today's episode, I'm going to be doing a mod. That's right. LOYO reached out to us and offered us some tail lights, and I'm going to go ahead and do the install. All I'm going to need to do this is a screwdriver. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the bolts. There's normally just two, but with ours, because we have the outside protection for the old brake light, I'm going to remove all four, which probably isn't a bad idea to change these out because they weren't stainless steel and it looks like they've rusted a bit. There's four of them. Okay. So now that I have the four screws removed, I'm just going to pull it out and disconnect it. That way I can install the new one. Just to show you what we're going from, this was the original one and this is the LOYO one that we're going to put in. So this is the connection that we're going to separate right here. Just like that. So that was pretty simple. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. See, goes in. Now that we've removed the old one, I'm just going to reconnect the new one and install it. Looks good. Okay, there we go. Now that we've got it reconnected and we've lined it up, it's time to put the screws back in.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. I believe so. Cool. Now that we have the left one installed, we're going to do the same thing on the right side. There you have it, guys. The lights are installed. All I needed was a screwdriver. Pretty simple. Thanks to LOYO for reaching out to us and sending us off these pretty cool tail lights. We'll let you know how they work out for us, but so far, initial thoughts, we love them, guys. Pretty simple. All I needed was a screwdriver. That's it for this edition. Let's meet on the trail, guys, as we go places.